Truly, Trudy, and the crowd is wild. Truly, Trudy. What does the judges say?
All right, hi Trudy. All right, love your energy, love your stage presence, loving your voice. We know we had a little bit of technical difficulties, and I love that you powered through that. You didn't make that stop you. You went through it. Just a little bit of mic control. A little bit of mic control. Don't move up too much so you get out of breath, right? But very good.
Truly, Trudy.